how to change controls on Fortnite mobile. So all we want to do is load up the game and click on our profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here we will click on the three lines near the exit button here, and then you will see an option called HUD Layout Tool. Once selected, here you will be able to see all of your current buttons and layouts or controls, and what you can do is edit it. So you will have all of your different buttons here at the bottom and you can scroll through them. And what you can do is simply press and drag onto any of these buttons and place them anywhere on the screen. It is going to ask you if you want to add this element to all modes. You can just confirm, and as you can see, we have added a new control or button to our Fortnite game, or to our HUD, sorry. So afterwards, all we have to do is click on the flash drive button here next to the left arrow to save the changes, and it's going to tell you that the layout has been saved. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.